Six Sigma.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this session of Lean Six Sigma with AI. Every organization would be needing to improve efficiency, cost को reduce करना है, and टेक्नोलॉजी को अडेप्ट करके जो रैपिडली जो एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो रहा है उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ साथ प्रोसेस इंप्रूवमेंट करके आगे बढ़ना है. सो लीन सिक्स सिग्मा would help you to understand, help you to identify where you are having flows, where you are having gaps, where how you can improve the process and improve the efficiency and cost reduction के लिए पहले से माना जाता था कि पोकोयोके, काइजन, दिस वर द बज़वर्ड. In today's time also we are using it, but then along with that, if you are talking about pokoyoke, then pokoyoke mistake proofing has to be integrated by AI. So whether you are talking about many of you would be knowing about statistical process control. Let me tell you, ये पूरा statistical process control आज के टाइम पे AI से चलता है. There are software available that also we will be talking about it in our upcoming series. So we need to understand what is artificial intelligence, that we know that data-driven automation and prediction at this scale. So it is for the prediction about the future. Cloud computing in IT modernization, agile methodologies widely used in IT and the services, process mining and analytics. That is again the major part of it would come in the analyze phase of the Six Sigma. UX design, that is human centered solution that drive adoption. So these are the various approaches and various tools of which we can use to integrate with the Lean Six Sigma. जरूरी नहीं है कि सारे tools का use करें, लेकिन these are the available methodologies or the approaches or the tools which we can utilize during our Lean Six Sigma project or for the process improvement in our company. Now, let us understand this is the first part of the interaction. And before, let us understand different players who are actually driving Lean Six Sigma and AI. So before combining forces, we need to understand what Lean Six Sigma and AI each bring to the table. Are they enemy of each other or are they complement each other? If they are complement each other, then how? अगर वो एक दूसरे के पूरक है, एक दूसरे के साथ चल रहे हैं, तो कैसे? So ये जानना जरूरी है. आप आइए उसमें थोड़ा सा डीप डाइव करते हैं. So Lean, I'm sure many of you, those who are connected with the LSS family, those who are connected with the several programs, and probably those who are working in operations and talking about operations effectiveness, उनको मुझे लीन और सिक्स सिग्मा क्या है वो बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन फिर भी लेट मी share it with you that lean is about reducing the waste. It is about streamlining the processes by eliminating anything that does not add value for the customer. In my next session, I will take you through the lean concept step by step, and थोड़ा सा उसका भी हम ब्रश अप करेंगे कि lean concept किस तरीके से हेल्प करता है. Six Sigma is about reducing the defect by solving the problems with data and targeting near perfect process performance. So आपको स्पीड की जरूरत है, लीन को टच कीजिए. देर आर नंबर ऑफ लीन टूल्स. आपको वेरिएशन डिफेक्ट फ्री प्रोसेस करना है या क्रिटिकल जो आपके पैरामीटर्स हैं वो डिफेक्ट फ्री होने चाहिए, तो आप सिक्स सिग्मा का रुख कीजिए. सिक्स सिग्मा वुड एबल टू हेल्प यू टू आइडेंटिफाई वेयर यू आर हैविंग द वेरिएशन एंड रिड्यूस द डेविएशन. And Lean Six Sigma, because we need effectiveness and efficiency both, and therefore it is not alone. अगर Six Sigma की बात करते हैं तो anyways आपको efficiency के speed के जो fundamentals है वो भी सीखने पड़ेंगे, वो भी जानने पड़ेंगे. इसलिए Six Sigma की भी बात करते हैं तो Lean anyways it is the part of it. Lean की बात करते हैं तो speed, मात्र स्पीड बढ़ेगी तो उससे फायदा नहीं है. वी नीड टू इंटीग्रेट अवर, we need to reduce the variation, we need to improve the quality, and therefore Lean Six Sigma are together. Now, if you see, I'm sure this is again the repetition for the many of you. The DMake model is the fundamental. It is the backbone for every Six Sigma project, and we have used this with the several companies, and several times I've taught to many of our customer, our participants, students, and many others who would like to work upon Six Sigma project and would like to achieve the results. So define, measure, एनालाइज, इम्प्रूव एंड कंट्रोल, ये जो आपको पाथ दिख रहा है, जो आपको जो यहाँ पे आपको फिगर दिख रही है, दैट इज द कंटिन्यूअस फिगर. सो यू स्टार्ट विथ डिफाइन, मेजर, एनालाइज, इम्प्रूव, कंट्रोल. इसके बारे में और बात करेंगे कि जब हम सिक्स सिग्मा की तरफ लुक करेंगे, जब हम सिक्स सिग्मा की बात करेंगे. सो इट इज द कंटिन्यूअल इम्प्रूवमेंट फ्रेमवर्क विद द फाइव सिक्वेंशियल फेजेस. उसके बारे में हम अपने सब्सिक्वेंट जो सेशंस है उसमें भी बात करेंगे.